pass on John Vincent. Big guy stop and pump. Now good. Rebound and Jan Rex Di Mayo. It's good for two. Again. And this is Super Mayo pass. Mr. Aaron. So Adam J. Gaynors. JC. Stop and pump. Pull up Joker. Messena. I do. Pataling good. Pass to Super Mayo. Baseline run. No. Okay. Got another rebound. Offensive rebound on Rex Victoria. Inuulag sa itaas. Libre masahe. Pass to John Vincent. Big guy. Two. Super Mayo. It's good. Swing pass on Angeles. Napakagandang fake. Side step. Easy basket is good. Mr. Casey. Swing to Renzo. Spin grab. Attack one. Wala. Shot clock 8 seconds. Rebound on Angeles. What a nice pass. Super Mayo. It's good. Eto na si Renzo. Libre masahe. So Victoria. Signaling the play. Pump pass. J.P. Marcelino. Uy! Nakaplay! Basket count! Pabian. Pump. Grab. Releasing jump shot. It's good for two. Human. Shot clock 14 seconds. What a nice pass! From downtown. And now. Offensive rebound. Kunyana using. EJ side serving. What a nice pass! Mr. Number 6. Out pass on the Mr. Pabian. Pump. Blotter. Good for two. Rebound on Pabian. Long pass and EJ. Missing. It's good for two. Alexander King out pass. Perea. Blotter. It's good. And then as the old pass dito kay Tanana. Luka, straight to Jenny Pabian. Shot clock 8 seconds. Drives in. It's good for two. Ganto kay number 22 Mills. Tumika na ng bomba. What a nice look. Renzo Victoria. It's good for two. And the base stop for the long trade. No good. Now it rebounds. Super Mayo. It's good for two. Luka Palone. Pump. Sidestep. Westwall. Using the parang dito kay Alexander, tumikala ng bomba. No, ang dito sa Mira, 36-33, mission is score, pagaling ng jump shot, basket on Mr. JC fires, 12 seconds on the shot clock, deflected is sealed. That's good for two. 35 minutes and 34 seconds, another steal. Reyes, woo! Extra to JC, balik dito kay Luka Bolang, tumikana ng tres. Woo! From JC to JP. Woo! It's a 30 seconds, Bigay. Floater, basket on Mr. Bigay. Locken, the play Kagawa, tuntong pa sa Luka. Tagtapay ka doon workers play out now! Okay, si Rebound Chuck Vincent, big guys, good turn. Patalingan, pass to Matiana. Well, pero yung overhead na rin patalingan, jump shot is good for two. Kamay kasi Matiana, pass deflected, pero patalingan, grab pass to Mr. Resty Mayo, China. 5 seconds, wait for the buzzer, big pen, it's good. Unang-unang mo ng RJ Gaynors, 12 seconds on the shot clock, jump shot, basket. Para Mr. Pabian, finals pass on Pabian. Stop for the break. Victoria. Pumping. Reverse layup. Masyado malala pero recover. Renzo Victoria. It's good. Pero na Renzo. Bullet pass. Sakto dito kay Marcelino. Easy basket. It's good for two. Marcelino. Pasa ulit kay Luka. What a nice pass on Mr. Brian. Maganda si Prima, Di Mayo, papanta pa kayo kung ikay pumpa on Mr. Guanyana. Shot clock 14 seconds. Gandong pasa dito kay Renzo Victoria using the glass. Using the ball on the shot clock. Mr. Perez, stop and bomb. Yes, sir. Para Mr. Perez, banana, Super Maya, Alexander. Oh! Get down. Bam! Woo! Big deal. Renzo Victoria. Ito, araran na. Mr. Renzo. Pump speed. Lays one good. Indicators pero ang bilis ng depensa. Looks good. Bounce good. Renz Capolong. Ito didiskarte. Itong si Luke Capolong ng takla. Pump. Using taklas. Nag-dribbling the ball. Look out. Inubutan sa itaas. Defense recover. Tala ng pump. Okay. Offensive foul. Hermaya nagmamanating dito sa kabila. Pump. Pinagpagla sa KC. Super Mayo. It's good for two. Kontra dito kay Patalangan. Pump speed. Using taklas. Pagkontra isa. Super Mayo. Drop pass out. Yes, it's good for two. Baba. Pass. Look out. Inabutan. Sakto. Jerry Pabian. 5 seconds. Team Alligators. Pineo. Umupa sa itaas. JP Marcinio, Casio Renzo, Victoria, pump speed, Victoria using the class, it's good. Punyana, Sweet Camaraya, fires, pam, woo! Ganaman, Renzo, Victoria, it's good for two, timeout. Victor's Punyana, stop and pump, basket, para kay Mr. Pumping pass to Perea, spin, jump shot, basket on Mr. Perea, Aborto. Attack, speed, grab, Tatakwa, using the glass. JB, but the big fly by King out of Luka. Bam! Woo! Ito na, Super Mayo. Grab, dinala na ng jump shot using the glass on Mr. Takana. Ay, team na ng Samira Perea, short, reverse, on Mr. Onya. Victoria. Asian, floater, a nice pass, pinabanda pa ni Mr. Tingnan natin kung anong opensa ang gagawin dito ng RJ Gamers, pero drop, pass, ball, foul. 5 seconds to shoot, jump shot, super corner, 15 on the shot clock, and it's a JC Pimpin. Let's go! Ito kay Stefan Yana. Balik pa sa itaas. In El Pass, Reyes fires, the boom back on Mr. Rusty Mayo. Okay, ang pinawian. Using big fouls, Pastor Panyana. Get down. Like up, in and out. Offensive rebound, Perea. Super Mayo reverse slam. It's good. 1 minute and 30. Talanan.